Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called groupthink. Groupthink is a phenomenon that occurs when the desire for a group consensus overrides people's common sense desire to present alternatives, critique a position, or express an unpopular opinion. Here, the desire for group cohesion effectively drives out good decision making and problem solving problem. Two well-known examples of groupthink in action are the Challenger space shuttle disaster and the Bay of Pigs invasion. Engineers of the space shuttle knew about some faulty parts months before takeoff, but they did not want negative press, so they pushed ahead with the launch anyway. With the Bay of Pigs invasion, President Kennedy made a decision and people around him supported it despite their own concern. Irwin coined the term groupthink and published his research in a book called Groupthink. His finding came from a research into why a team reaches an excellent decision one time and a disaster one next time. What he found out was that lack of conflict or opposing viewpoint led to the poor decision because alternatives were not fully analyzed and because groups did not gather enough information to make an informed decision. How to spot a groupthink? Maybe the following can help: a strong persuasive group leader, a high-level group cohesion, intense pressure from outside to make a good decision. In fact, it is now widely recognized that groupthink-like behavior is found in many situations and across many types of group and team settings. So it is important to look out for such symptoms and eliminate or minimize them. Thanks for watching. Bye.